For our killer whale, we'll be using 3 black 260s and 2 white 260s. One of the blacks has got about a 4 or 5 inch tail. We're not going to use all of it. I'm going to set that aside. And then I've taken the other two. They each have about a 3 inch tail. The other 4, I should say, the 2 blacks and the 2 whites. And I've tied the ends together, a black and a white, to form 2 pairs, just like that. We're going to start with one of these, and you're going to take your white, twist about a 3 inch bubble there, and then a 1/2 inch bubble, make that a pinch twist. And then we're going to grab our other white and do the same thing, about a 3 to 3.5 inch bubble, same size as the other, and then your pinch twist. And then we're going to join those two together by twisting them in like that. Pinch twist, one on the top and one on the bottom. Then we're going to take our blacks, and what we want is a bubble slightly longer than that white, so it makes that black bow a little bit. And then twist that in where those 2 pinch twists come in as well. Repeat the same with the other black. So that we now have our 2 tail fins, or flukes, on our killer whale. Now what you want to do is bring all 4 of those up together, trying to keep them even. And we're going to go up about 10 to 12 inches there. And we're going to just grab all 4 of them together and twist it around, locking them together. Then to make sure they stay, because if you don't do this, they're going to come undone, take one of them, it doesn't matter which, I'm just grabbing a black, poke it through the body, and then bring them out and twist them around one more time, or twist it around them. Now they're all locked into place. Now what we need to do is we're going to do the same thing, take all 4 of them together again, and this time we're going to go up about 3 inches, and again we're going to lock them all together. And then to ensure that they stay again, all I need is I'm going to take one of the blacks, and I'm going to twist a little bubble, about 1/2 to 3/4 inch, and I'm going to make a pinch twist right there. That'll also help stabilize our dorsal fin when we add it in a minute. So you should now have something looking like that. Now we're going to make our 2 pectoral fins. And what you're going to do is take each of your blacks and whites together in a pair, one black and one white. And you're going to go, starting with your white, go about 8 inches out, and then take your black, and I'm going to make this one a little bit longer, like we did our tail fin, so they'll get a bit of a bow. Make sure that's soft. I'm going to go about 10 inches. Not quite that long, about 9 inches. There we go. Give it a nice shape. You can eyeball it and figure out what kind of shape you want. And then I'm going to take and repeat that with the other side. And I'll break those off in a minute there. And once you've got those secured together like that, then what we need to do is we're going to pop each of these excess ends off and then tie that together. So we're going to remove the excess pieces and then just tie these 2 ends. Trim it up a little bit to get one fin, and we'll do the same with the other. Tie those 2 ends together just like that. Trim that off. Okay, it's really looking strange. You're wondering how on earth this is going to be a dolphin. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this whole front piece and we're going to swivel it around. Poke one of your fins through the body. Oops. Helps if you poke it right. Poke it through the black on 2 black on top and the 2 white on the bottom. And you're going to have to kind of pull this up over to get that little 4 bubble assembly there. So you get all the way through to the other side. And if you'll position it, so that the 2 black and the inside are on top and the 2 white and the inside are on the bottom. And you can position the fins so that they're both sticking out to the side. Let's straighten up his tail fin as well, so that you'll get basically that there. Then we're going to take our other black, and what we want to do with it is we're going to figure out about how tall we want our dorsal fin, and then just tie it into a circle of that size. Off any excess that we have, and then we're going to come and just twist this onto that pinch twist that we have in the middle there of the two fins, securing it into place like that. Push that back down so that fin will stand up straight. And once you've got his dorsal fin in place, shape it just a little bit however you like it. Make sure he's all straight. And there is your killer whale.